Hey guys, it's your main man Kenny B here, aka Porglord629, and I'm here to teach you how to get your YouTube videos up to 1 million views. What? Yeah, that's right, you're at the chance to make you the man. Oh yeah. Subscribe here, join the Porg Army here, and smash that Patreon button to become Immortal Tier Porg Warriors. Now, let's get started. Rule 1. Content, 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 content. What are you about? Why did you click here? Because you wanted to hear what I have to say. And why is that? Rule 2. Personality. Get yourself a personality. You'll need one. Affect a personality people can really relate to. A personality you could take home and introduce to the family. Rule 3. People need excitement. Keep it exciting. Keep it choppy. And what do I mean by choppy? I mean this. See what I did there? Keeping it real, keeping it fresh. It's a visual form of hip-hop. Okay, so rulo numero 4. The most important thing to remember is that you should always be willing to take risks. And the thing about risks is that's what sets you apart from the content. And jump cuts, you gotta have that jump cuts. And the thing to remember is you should take risks. I've said this. Wait. Anyway, what was saying? Content. Content. Hit me up. Content. So remember anything that's happened. Personality. Content! Why did you do this? Jump cuts need to stop. Remember content. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. Porg Warriors up there. Porg Army. It's... Please like. Please subscribe. And you can have the million views just like me.